Hello friends, welcome to Celebrating Life. On the account of India's 74th Independence Day, we are making a simple yet special dish, that is our tricolor dosa. To go along with it, I am making a yummy onion chutney.
Ingredients required for making tricolor dosa. Half a cup of carrot grated, 1 cheese slice, half cup capsicum finely chopped, pure ghee and dosa batter. Now let's start the process. Friends, now let's keep the dosa pan on the stove. It needs to heat up for 1 minute. Heat it on high flame, and when we are about to pour the dosa, you need to keep it at low flame. To see if it is heated correctly, just sprinkle some water. The water should flutter and evaporate quickly. That's the sign of a properly heated dosa tawa. Now let's start the process. Let's take a ladle full of dosa batter, pour it on the tawa, spread it evenly. I'm adding the first layer. That is our grated carrot. Now I will add capsicum. If you keep the flame at low, you can easily work on the dosa. Yeah. Now our saffron and green layer is ready. Now let's add the. Now I'm adding the cheese slice. I have cut the cheese slice into half. Yeah. Now that's our white. I'm adding a spoonful of ghee. You can add oil or butter according to your preference. I'm giving a gentle press so that this sticks very well. I'm closing the lid and let it cook for 1 minute. Hey friends, now after 1 minute I will be opening the lid. Wow! Now our capsicum has turned crunchy. You can see the cheese bubbling. Now our perfect tricolor dosa is ready. We will serve it with onion chutney. Now I'll show you the recipe of onion chutney. Okay, for the dosa batter recipe, I will leave the link in the description box. Please do check it and try it out. It is a very easy recipe and you can get very crispy dosas and idlis. Here you go. Our tricolor dosa is ready to be served. Ingredients required for making onion chutney. I have taken 2 red chilies, dry red chilies. You can take it according to your requirement. 2 onions, medium sized, roughly chopped. 1 spoon jaggery powder. 1/4 spoon of fenugreek seeds. Salt to taste. 5 pods of garlic. A little bit of tamarind. Half a cup of curry leaves. 1 spoon of urad dal. 1 spoon chana dal. Half a spoon of jeera or cumin seeds, sesame seeds or til, oil, into a kadai, add 1 spoon of oil. It's better to use an iron kadai like this. It is good for health as well as it will enhance the taste of your food. Firstly, I am adding 1 spoon of urad dal. One spoon of chana dal. Keep the flame at low. We should roast this well. Now I am adding half a spoon of cumin seeds, quarter spoon of fenugreek seeds. Be careful with the quantity of fenugreek seeds added. It can give a bit of bitterness. I am adding garlic pods. A very good aroma is coming out. I have added 2 dry red chilies. I am adding curry leaves, half a cup. This chutney is very easy to make, but it gives a very good taste when you have it with dosas and idlis. Now you can see that the dals have changed the color. Add the tamarind. At this stage, we'll add onions. 2 medium-sized onions, roughly chopped. Now we should fry this at least for 3 minutes until the onions are translucent. Now our onions are slightly done. I am adding 1 spoon of sesame seeds. This gives a very good nutty flavor to the chutney. Salt as required. And 1 spoon of jaggery. You can add hing or asafoetida if you like the flavor. Now we'll roast this for another 2 minutes. Hey friends, now the onions are cooked sufficiently. I am turning off the flame. This needs to cool very well. After that, we shall grind this in a blender jar and our chutney will be ready. Since we have not added any water and roasted all the ingredients well, this will stay good for a long time, about 15 days. Now this has cooled down. I will transfer it to the blender jar. Now I will grind it into a fine paste. Now our onion chutney is ready. It's too yummy and irresistible.
Do try out our recipe. Kids will surely love it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and share our video with your friends. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.